So guys, I will be showing you how to make a nice chicken skewers, and this will be served with salad to make it a healthy meal. This is just a very quick fix. So what have I got here? I got garlic. That's about 5 cloves of garlic in there, which have been pounded. Then I got ginger. I got in here, I have put half a tablespoon of crushed chilies. I put a teaspoon and a half of garlic and herb seasoning. I put chicken seasoning. I have put chicken seasoning. I put a teaspoon. I put half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I have put a teaspoon of barbecue seasoning. Going back to chilies, just put the amount you like, because this is gonna make it quite spicy, but in my house we do like spicy food, so that is not a problem. I've also put in here half a teaspoon of salt to taste. You can use the amount of salt you like. Just be aware most of these spices do have salt in them. So here I got 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and that's the olive oil I use. So I got 4 tablespoons there. Then I got just that amount of water. It's just like about 20 mils of water. So what we are going to do is we are going to blend all these spices together, and then we can marinate our chicken for at least an hour. So that's our blended spices. There's water there, there's oil there, so all those things I've shown you, they have all been blended in there, and we're just going to pour them in the chicken, mix it nicely, and just make sure we get all the spices on each piece of the chicken. This is our chicken. It's come out of the fridge now, and I'm just going to put it on the skewing sticks. I'll be putting about 5 in each skewing stick, and just space them a little so you give them room for heat to go through. They will be going in the oven soon. So that's skewer number 1 for my skewing sticks here. Is ready now. This is the pan I'm going to use. I'm not putting any oil. It's non-stick, so the oil we've used for marinating the chicken is the same oil we are going to use, and that just makes it healthy because we are using less oil. The excess oil is just going to drain when it's in the oven. So I was going to put that in. I'm just going to put 3, that's the size of my pan, and then I'll carry on putting the rest on the skewers. Let's take one more bite. And taking the time to see what it is looking like, and it's not oily at all. So we're just gonna brown it nicely, and then we'll put it in the oven. To go on the tray over there. Then I'll be putting the next lot in. And we'll just go through all of them, and then we'll get them in the oven once they're all ready to go. So our chicken is now been browned or seared on the pan, and it's all ready to go in the oven. My oven has been heated up to 200. I will be lowering it to 150, and I am just going to cover that with a foil, just so that I can keep the moisture in, because I want my chicken to be nice, tender, and not dry. I will cover it for about 20 minutes, and then I'll take the foil off, and I'll just check. It should be cooked within 20 minutes, and it should be ready to go with the salad. Then I will show you the final product. So that's been sealed nicely to keep all the air and the flavors in there, and just keep it moist. So as I said, I'm just gonna lower the heat to 180, and then we'll see what happens, but it should be ready by then. So this is our chicken kebab ready. It's been in the oven for 25 minutes. Let's have a look if it's ready. Just gonna try with a fork, and you can see it's nice, it's tender. I'll just have a little taste. It's well cooked through, and it's tender and very tasty. It's gonna be served with salad. This is very healthy salad. I've just put a small dash of mayonnaise. I've used healthy mayonnaise on this one. It's got an egg on it. I've had boiled an egg, and that's how we're gonna be serving that. And that's very healthy. So we got mixed salad there. We got cucumber, and I don't like onions, so I got tomatoes there, and I got eggs plus the chicken. And then there's another salad which is for the kids who like to have their mayo mixed nicely in their salad. It's still got an egg there, so I'm gonna serve that for the kids because that's how they like their salad. Nice and tasty. So apart from marinating, the preparation took me 15 minutes. Then we marinated in the fridge for an hour, and it cooked for 25 minutes. While it was cooking, I have then prepared the salad, and I believe everybody knows how to prepare salad. If you want me to show you how to prepare my salad, please just give me a comment on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Please try this and let me know how you find it, please. It's just important for me to have a feedback. Any criticism is allowed. So that is the healthiest salad if you're looking to lose weight, but at the same time, if you've got kids and you want them to enjoy their salad as well, that's how I make for the kids, and I mix the mayo with their salad. This is just lettuce because they don't like the mixed salad. We got tomatoes in there, and we got boiled eggs plus cucumber. Thank you.
With